Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you an easy way to get the EGGMIN egg. As you can see, this is a Roblox admin, and he is dropping them everywhere. And I actually did collect one, but as you can see, we could just keep collecting more and more. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to find Roblox admins. Shout out to Rostellis, I'm not sure how to say it, but it is kind of hard. It is extremely hard just finding an admin just by joining a random game. Just for proof, I am going to go to my profile. I have the EGGMIN 2019. Put it on. I kind of like the EGGMIN last year better. It looks neat. Put my head back on. But I want you guys to go to the link in the description. It is a group for Roblox admins, basically. And once you are on here, you want to click right here where it says CS and moderator. Go to admin. And then these are all the Roblox admins. There's over 300. So what I did was I just kept scrolling until you find people that are online. Just right click, open their page in a new tab, and just do this a few times, and then look to see what game they're playing. Some players have joining disabled. Most of them do actually, which does kind of suck. But you know, there's over 300. Just keep doing this and try to find one that is online. I found one on page 17, I believe, and that's the one who I joined. Not many are on right now, but I would definitely suggest checking periodically. And if they are on Egg Hunt or any of the Egg Hunt games, I believe that are compatible with it, just join them. You know, yeah, this guy right here. He is who I joined, and he is on Egg Hunt, Scrambled in Time. I think that he's Spanish, I'm not sure, but yeah, so just join them. You know, I found them and I ended up getting it. So yeah, that is my easy strategy to get the EGGMIN egg. And yeah, let's see if I could find the one from last year. This one. I think this one looks way cooler, in my opinion. Let's put them both on just to see what they look like together. I don't think I got the 2016 one. Now, together it looks stupid. But yeah, I definitely think that this one looks cooler. The older one. But there you guys go. I hope this did help you. Leave a like if it did. Check out my Discord server link in the description below, along with my fan group and fan shirts. Check them out. They're amazing. Hope you guys did enjoy. That's everything. Peace.